Tired of DuckDuckGo's glaring white background hurting your eyes? In 30 seconds, I'll show you how to change it to any color you want. First, open DuckDuckGo. Then, we'll navigate to Settings, pick your color, and save it. Let's go! So, step 1 is simple. Just open your DuckDuckGo browser. Whether you're on a laptop or a desktop, get that main search page pulled up. That's where we're starting from. Now, look up at the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 little horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. That's the menu button. All right. Once you're in Settings, you'll see a few different tabs along the top. Don't get overwhelmed. You're looking for the one that says Appearance. Click on that Appearance tab, and it'll take you to a whole new section where we can change the look and feel of everything. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down through the appearance options until you see something labeled Background Color. It'll probably be near the top of the list, under maybe Header Color or Theme Settings. Just keep scrolling until you find it. I promise it's there. Now for the fun part. Click on the little color card or color swatch next to Background Color. A color picker will pop up. This is where you get to choose. You can click around the palette, you can slide the brightness bar, or if you know the specific hex code for your favorite color, you can type that in too. I usually go for a soft, dark gray to reduce eye strain, but pick whatever feels good to you. Once you've got your color selected, do not close the window yet. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page and look for the button that says Save and Exit. Click that. That's the key. If you just close the window, none of this will stick. But if you click Save and Exit, it locks in your new background. And that's it. Refresh your DuckDuckGo homepage and you'll see your brand new background color. No more glaring white, no more eye strain, just a personalized, comfortable browsing experience that matches your style. It's one of those small tweaks that makes a huge difference in how the web feels. Give it a try and let me know what color you went with. Happy browsing!